If you are a parent to a child with ADHD, it's not so much the attention or the hyperactivity that you are constantly dealing with, it is the dysregulation and the constant overall behaviors. When we look at the brain of the ADHD child and teen, we see that this is a different brain, a neurodiverse brain, different from the neurotypical population of the same age and same gender. What makes this brain differently is that it is structured different, and it responds differently to various stimuli. When we look at the ADHD brain, it gives us so many of the answers that we need. This is a true neurodiverse brain that is different from the neurotypical population in the same age and same gender. Overall, the dopamine levels and the ability to regulate oneself is most often affected. This is not attention deficit disorder. This is self-regulation deficit disorder. So what we see here is we see a brain that is highly stimulated by two very specific things. And this is very true for today's generation of ADHD youth. And those two things, of course, are screens, which makes ADHD kids very susceptible to developing a very major screen addiction. And number two is negative attention from parents. When they get responses, when they get language, when they get an instant cause and effect, when they show disrespectful and non-compliant behaviors to parents, and the parents have a reaction, that stimulates their brain. The number one rule in all of ADHD parent training is language makes dysregulation worse. Language fuels dysregulation. When you try to talk to your child, because a lot of you parents are following a lot of advice you're seeing on Instagram and social media to connect with your child and be there for your child and validate their feelings. But what we have to remember with this very specific ADHD brain, any language that you are giving to your child when they are dysregulated is going to fuel that dysregulation. And it's going to teach them that when they're dysregulated, they get your full attention and they're getting exactly what they want and they're getting highly stimulated. And we're teaching them that dysregulation works. So the more you get dysregulated, the more we will help you and the more we will give you our full attention. What you need to do is sit down with your child when they're fully regulated at baseline and explain to them what they look like when they're ready. When you're ready, I'm here for you, I can help you, I can talk to you. And also explain to them what they look like when they're not ready. When you're not ready, you say things like this or you act like this. And when you're not ready, I just can't talk to you. And I'm going to give you space to get ready. And when you're ready, I'm here.